Subscribe the IELTS Guide channel and press the bell icon for the regular updates of IELTS video.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to IELTS Guide channel. Today we are going to see IELTS listening tips. Okay, in this video we are going to cover IELTS listening tips that will be helpful for you in the IELTS examination, as well as we are going to see IELTS listening test details. Okay, and we will talk about some tips that will be really helpful for you in the examination, and also we will see that how you can prepare or how you have to prepare every day for the IELTS listening test so that you can get some higher band in the listening section, because it is a scoring section. Okay, it is a scoring module out of all the 4 modules in the IELTS examination. So without any further ado friends, let's get started. So first of all, listening test details. Okay, first and the most important thing is that the same IELTS listening test for both academic and the general test. Okay, if you are preparing for the academic or you are preparing for the general, the IELTS listening will be same for both the candidates. Okay, then 40 minutes is the time for the IELTS listening test. Okay, out of that 30 minutes for the audio script and 10 minutes for transfer the answers into the answer sheet. Okay, and there are 40 number of questions in the IELTS listening test. Okay, 4 audio scripts are there and each audio script contain 10 questions. Okay, so total questions are 40 for IELTS listening. And one more important thing is that you can hear the recording once only. Okay, you will not allowed to hear it again, so you have to prepare very well for the IELTS listening test. Okay, let's move to the tips that will be helpful for you in the IELTS listening section. Okay, so these are the tips that will be helpful for you, and the first and the most important thing is that use answer sheet and the pencil for practice. When you are practicing for the IELTS listening test, use answer sheet that will be provided in the examination. Okay, so you can download that answer sheet from the internet, just print out it and then practice the listening test in this answer sheet, so that you can have some idea that how to write the answers into the answer sheet. Okay, then use pencil, because in the IELTS examination you have to use pencil to write your answers. Okay, the second thing is that look for the number of words for each answer. Okay, while you are reading the questions, you first focus on how many words or number you can write. Okay, there is a clear instruction that not more than 2 words and or a number, or not more than 3 words and or a number. So look for that instruction first, then read the question carefully. Okay, then third is identify type of question. Okay, there are different types of questions. Fill in the blanks, or there is a tables or maps or different kind of a question, multiple choice questions. So you should identify what type of questions you are going to answer. Okay, so that is the important thing. Then use capital letters for every single letter. Okay, while you are writing the answer into the answer sheet, write whole word in the capital letters only. Okay, so it will be helpful for you, because in some cases sometimes you have to write your first letter in the capital, because your answer is start from that word only. Okay, your sentence start from that word only, so it is better to write each word in capital letters. Okay, so it will be it will be a safe side for you. Okay, because they will not detect any marks if you write all the words in the capital letters. Okay, so make sure you write all the letters in the capital. Okay, then utilize time given to read the question. You have provided 30 seconds or some time to read the questions before audio script plays for certain number of questions. So you should utilize that time, okay, properly, and you should read all the questions. Okay, so that you can give answers perfectly and correctly. So practice it well. Practice can only improve this topic. Okay, practice can only improve your utilization of the time to read the questions. Okay, then underline the keywords. Okay, while you are reading the question, just underline the keywords that will be helpful for you. Okay, it may be name or places, or it may be some topics, some words that will be helpful for you to identify the answers. Okay, so underline the keywords. And next is try to predict the answer. While you are reading the question, try to predict the answer. Okay, you can easily predict in the fill in the blanks kind of a question that what could be the answer, what would be the answer, right? It could be number, or it could be a name, or a place, or some place's name, or a person name. Okay, so try to predict, try to guess the answer, so it will be helpful while you are reading the audio script. Okay, let's see the next tips, that is carefully listen for the plurals. Okay, singular and plurals are really important, so that you should carefully listen to these, and even sometime you miss these, you should identify it from your question, from your sentence. Okay, so be careful in this section. Then there is a spelling is really important in case of listening. Okay, because if you make a small mistake in a word, your spelling will be wrong, and your band score will be reduced. Okay, you will not get any marks for that, even you do a silly mistake. Okay, then there is a right word or letter. Okay, decide while reading in time given. Okay, while you are reading the question, you should decide that in this blank there must be a letter, or there must be a word, or there must be a number, whatever. Okay, just decide it. Okay, while you are reading the question, it will be helpful for you. In sentence completion, answer should be grammatically correct. Okay, grammar is really important, so your answer must be grammatically correct. Okay, so read the question carefully. It may be in the past tense, or a present tense, or in the future tense, so you have to write your answer accordingly, that so grammar is really important over here. Keep your eye on next question. Okay, sometime audio script running very fast, so you miss some question answer, but you have to keep your eye on the next question, otherwise you will miss that question too, and it will be really bad impact on your band scores. Okay, so keep your eye on the next question too, and don't try to understand everything. You should not understand everything. Okay, it is not necessary to understand everything in the listening section. Just focus on some keywords. Okay, answer must be correct. You should focus on what is the answer, what is the correct answer for the fill in the blanks or whatever. Okay, so do not try to understand everything, just try to focus on answers, the keywords that will be helpful for you. Okay, and the next is beware of distractors, means answer that are changed. Okay, so many times in the IELTS listening audio script, it's something like that, they will distract you. Okay, there are distractors in the audio script. Okay, for example, they will say that there is a cat before, but now there is a dog. Okay, so they have changed the statement. They said first that there is a cat, but then they said before, but now there is a dog. So answer is dog, not cat. Okay, so you should listen carefully of distractors. Okay, they will say again and again so many things, and then they will say no, and then they will say yes. Okay, so remember what is negative thing and what is positive thing regarding that sentence, so you can be find your answer easily. And then guess the answer at the end if you miss. Okay, if you miss any answer, then don't be in hurry or don't be panic, just be relaxed. Okay, just focus on the next question. Okay, if you miss an answer, move quickly to the next question. Okay, and whatever the question number you miss, just guess the answer for that at the end of the listening test. Okay, at that time no need to guess or do anything, just forget it, move to the next question, because if you don't do that, you will be missing the next question too, and this will follow the next and next question, so that it will be a huge impact on your band score. Okay, so it is better to do a one mistake. Okay, but don't be panic, otherwise you will make 3 to 4 mistakes and you will lose 3 to 4 extra marks. Okay, so remember these things. Now let's move to the next thing, is that how to prepare for IELTS listening test every day. Okay, I have already uploaded a video on the 3 weeks plan. Okay, in from that only we will see that how to prepare for the IELTS listening. Okay, you have to prepare 1 hour a day every day, give one test. Okay, Cambridge series material is reliable one, check the answer and mark yourself. In addition to this, listen to English documentary daily for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and then you can listen to the things you are interested in, so that you have some interest in the listening sections. Okay, so listen to the things that you are interested in. try listening both the monologues and conversation between two or more persons, because in the audio script there are different kind of a conversations. Okay, so you must be ready for both kind of a conversation. For monologues, I suggest watch English news, that will be helpful for you. And for conversation kind of a question, movies with subtitle will be helpful for you, and subtitle may help you improve your reading skills as well. So it will be helpful for you in both listening as well as in the reading. Okay, so English news and English movies will be helpful for you a lot. Okay, and then predict your scores. Okay, and the number of questions will give you a score. For example, band 5.5, for you have to achieve 5.5 band, you must answer 18 to 20 questions correctly. 20 to 23 to 35 questions, you will get 6 band. 26 to 29, 6.5 band. 30 to 31, 7 band. 30 to 34, 7.5 bands. 35 to 36, 8 band. 37 to 38, 8.5 band. And 39 to 49 band. Okay, so I suggest that you prepare very well. You must answer at least 35 questions correctly. Okay, your target must be 7 plus in the listening section, because it is a scoring one. Okay, in case of writing or speaking, so many students end up with 6.5 maximum band. Okay, so in case of a listening, you should target higher band. Okay, at least 7 plus is required in listening section, so that your overall band score will be improved. Okay, remember, listening is the scoring one. Okay, so I guess that's it for today, friends. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, then please do give a thumbs up, share with your friend, and subscribe to the IELTS Guide channel. I will see you in the next video soon. Till then, you take care, friends, and bye bye.